Ready to trade your disposable razor for the ultimate wet shaving ritual? Everything you need for a master-level shave is right inside this box. Meet the Naked Armor Solomon 8-piece straight razor kit, your all-in-one answer to the perfect traditional wet shave. At its core is the Solomon Straight Razor, forged from premium VG10HZ Japanese steel with a 59 to 61 HRC rating. It features a full hollow grind to give you an incredibly sharp, precise, yet gentle glide. Complementing that elite blade is a handle meticulously crafted from genuine Algum wood, perfectly balanced to give you absolute control and timeless style. And we didn't stop at the razor. Inside, you'll find every single essential needed to build your perfect shaving ritual. Experience a shave that's incredibly close, exceptionally smooth, and completely free from the irritation of multi-blade razors.
After using this for a few days, I've been very impressed with how smooth of a shave it has given me. You cannot get this good of a shave with conventional electrical razors or the disposable razors. I don't care how many blades you put on it. The straight edge right here will give you the best shave you've ever had.
Join thousands of men who threw out the plastic and never look back. Whether you're mastering the art of the blade or looking for an unforgettable gift, this is the upgrade he deserves. Shop now at nakedarmor.com.